Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy crypto on Kraken app. So go ahead and open up your Kraken app. Okay, I'm gonna log in, of course, using your credentials. Gonna wait for a few moments, and you're gonna see the portfolio at the bottom right. Oh, excuse me, not the portfolio. You're gonna see buy crypto at the bottom right here. Deposit. You're gonna see buy crypto. Hit buy crypto right here, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the crypto that you want to buy. Let's say Doge. Right, and enter the amount in dollars or in Dogecoin if you have to speak that language, and then let me enter that amount. Sorry for the connection here. Can be, yeah, let's say $100, and then click right here the payment method at the bottom. You can pay with your balance or Apple Pay or MasterCard if you want to. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.